Oh, good morning, guys. I got a couple things to tell you. I'm broke, and that K-Master watermark is back. If you want to help the channel out anyway, go to my website, or if you have PayPal, go down in the description down below, hit that PayPal link, and boom, you're kosher. So right now, I only have 2 bushes to get up. So if I can get those up, I'm going to see if my brother will allow me to use his or my niece's bike to go riding around and then come back. Of course, I'll bring you guys along. Alright there. I'm going to get up, get ready to do the lawn work. For some that don't know what a doggy casket looks like, this is her body. This is her ashes right here. So this is what some of the I'm assuming that you can have them make a look like a casket. But but this typical thing here, this box is what I guess is typical for cremation. Nice color. I can't argue with that. So it kind of resembles a jewelry box. I'm gonna plan to put a picture right here of her. I don't know what type of pictures that I want to put here yet with her. I'll probably put me and her my old Facebook picture or YouTube. The banner type thing, I think. I don't know. There's a picture of me and her together. Alright, well, I'm done talking about it. Alright. I'm sorry. The last clip, I was supposed to tell you when I was supposed to do the live shoot for Mama. The live goodbye. On my website, I have scheduled everything live streaming for 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. on the East Coast. Then I have one on Wednesdays. So I will be scheduling this out at the same time as my live stream for next Monday. Today, I still have a live stream, and I'll give it to you, and I'll bring it forth. I don't think I'm going to go for a bike ride in this vlog. So, I'm not sure that I've shown you my brother's dog, but I've shown you my parents' dog back in the day, about a year and a half ago. But this is Freckles. Freckles. This is my YouTube community, my YouTube fans. You don't really like, huh? I think Freckles is scared of you guys. Oh, don't be scared. Why'd you scare Freckles? I don't know, but we can catch him on a better day. He's coming. Come. That's Freckles right there. Come, boy. Come here, boy. They're not gonna hurt you. They're not gonna hurt you. Frex. You don't want to say hi to the viewers? Well, I guess that was unsuccessful. What I'm going to do with the rest of the clippings is burn them. We're supposed to be burning them here. This is a little bit difficult here. You know what? Get the top part first. Make myself look a little professional. Look like I know what I'm doing. Make it look like that. It might take a little long, but it gets the job done somehow. There was a tree root, one of these, that I couldn't freaking dig up, so I cut it as low as I can, because that's the next best thing to do. Someone thought it'd be a good idea to put pea gravel rocks. If I can find one. Yeah. Yeah, right here. Somebody thought it'd be good to put these pea rocks with the shrubs here. And it's kind of hard to dig up when there's a bunch of these things clustered together. So I decided to cut it as low as possible. We'll find something bigger and better to get these roots out of there. Because, yeah, it's not fun. Kind of jam a metal shovel and having a kickback a little bit on you. That's how you damage your ligaments in your body, like your hands. You don't want that. You want it to be easy. Easy is better than doing it the hard way. Alright. I got it to where I can use a saw or anything that's capable of getting down there. So, I'll be back when I reduce this thing to a nub, a stump. So I haven't done any progress. Well, I have done some progress, but I just wanted to show you. It looks like it's gonna rain here shortly. Heck yeah. I got myself pretty good. Well, not pretty good, but it's like 2 teeth marks of the saw deal. And it ain't that bad. It's not like I'm gonna die from it. So I gotta. I don't know if you heard that, but that was me farting. But it feels good to fart. It's not disgusting. It's body's reaction of getting toxins out of your body. Some people just say, "Oh my God, that is just, you know, disgusting." Like they want to puke about it. And then when they fart, they be like, "Ee." I'm like, dude, it's just a fart. Get over it. Yeah, just get over it, dude. I brought my little tripod over there, gorilla tripod, but I decided not to use it like an idiot because of fear of raining, I guess. I don't know, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. I should have got it done last night, but I was just dicking around and I didn't hit payday, so I just said screw it. I'm just gonna cut that first one off. Just cut it to a stub. Because I do believe it's kind of hard when they're full grown. They're kind of hard to cut down a little bit to get it out of the ground. It's so you gotta practically cut it. I gotta figure out what do I have to do to get it to come out, other than dig. But anyway, look at that bright old sun up there. Yeah, you scared Freckles. I don't know how you guys scared Freckles. So I'm not gonna show you the end results until my brother gets it all the way he wants. Can't show you anything like that, but I could show you the before. I got it down to the dirt, but I'm gonna try to see if I can dig up the right side of the shrubs, the second pile. But I'm gonna tell you what, though, the first one was a beautiful thing. I was gonna say the B word, but I say the second one was great. I got it down to where I wanted to get it down. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get it to be dug out, but that's gonna be a painstaking process because it's like clay, and clay is kind of hard to dig. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the other one, the first one, as low as I wanted to. But I guess that's how the cookie crumbles, huh? So later on tonight, I got a vlog, or I got a live stream coming on around 8:10 Central. Or 8:10. It's 8 o'clock and 8:10 Eastern time. But anyway, I think I'm done here. I'll try to get the vlog for tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but the next vlog running for you. So